Hey friends, if you wish to set up and use the OneDrive Personal Vault, then please watch this video. Someone also asked how to disable it. There is no process to disable it. So open your file explorer. You can also do it on your phone and then go to the OneDrive. You'll find Personal Vault here. Double click on it. Okay. It will ask for entry details. You will have to enter the details. Okay. And then let it go through. It will need a while to get there. And this is how you can access the personal vault. Now interestingly, in the personal vault you will not see any of these thumbnails and all by default because it is supposed to be personal, and you can lock it. So just right click on it and lock it. Okay, so that's how the personal vault works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.